Regular versus self-hosted email marketing. Email marketing is the best solution for acquiring large numbers of customers, creating relationships of trust with them, and increasing sales and profits. In general, there are two great ways to do email marketing, with regular email marketing and self-hosted email marketing. Regular email marketing. This is also called hosted email marketing. It is a service that is accessed on the web that offers tools to create automated and effective email marketing campaigns. Some of its benefits are: you can start sending messages right away. Technical configuration is not required. There are no maintenance costs. The delivery is great. They make sure the message arrives directly to the inbox. And the speed of delivery is incredible, since with a single click, all messages are delivered almost immediately. Some drawbacks of this type of service are: it can be terminated for complaints or violations of terms of service. You must accept its rules. For example, some tell you what you can and cannot promote. The cost increases according to the size of the list. You must do double opt-in, which is a two-step process. Many people do not make it to the second step because of their issues, so a considerable number of subscribers may be lost. And many services have limitations on importing subscribers, so if you switch your service provider, you have to resubscribe all users or you'll lose them. Some examples of regular email marketing are aweber.com, getresponse.com, and mailchimp.com. Self-hosted email marketing. Self-hosted email marketing consists of software that you install on your own server or computer, and it helps you create, manage, share, and send email marketing campaigns to a group of people. You keep control of the security of your data. You can do all these things with fewer complications and more effectiveness. Some of the advantages of this type of email marketing software are: its cost is low compared to what it costs to hire a hosted email marketing service. You can create unlimited lists and add unlimited subscribers. Generates very good reports. Emails can be imported in a very simple way. Speed depends on your host, and you have total control of your data. Some drawbacks are: it's important to hire a professional in some cases. Requires installation of software and configuration, and blacklists should be checked frequently. Some examples of this type of software are SendBlaster.com. SendBlaster is a software used to create email marketing campaigns in a simple way in just a few steps to generate higher incomes. Using this software, you can create newsletters, manage lists from your desktop, have tracking services, manage reports, and improve your email campaigns. Interspire Email Marketer. Interspire Email Marketer includes email marketing automation tools to create and send bulk emails to subscribers without so many restrictions. It also allows tracking, optimization with split testing, automation for your list management, keeping your lists clean, and viewing the activity of a lead. Sendy.co. Sendy is an application that allows you to send emails through Amazon Simple Email Services, SES, and handles lists very easily at a low price. With this application, you can manage lists and subscribers easily, see the results in a nice report, manage bounces, handle complaints and cancellations, send your newsletter automatically, have custom fields, have autoresponders, and give your customer access. Mailzingo.com. Mailzingo is the most powerful tool for self-hosted email marketing used to create amazing and effective campaigns because it allows you to generate more conversions, giving you faster and completely secure delivery of emails to the inbox. You can have unlimited lists with no size limits and send unlimited emails, which you can easily track. This software offers you the best forms and incredible designs to create the best emails. It is completely easy to use for new marketers. Importing lists has never been so easy, fast, and unrestricted. Mailzingo also gives you the best security, so you have complete control over your data and your email marketing campaigns. Best of all is that you'll make a single payment, forgetting to pay a monthly fee. Using this impressive tool, you can double or triple the click-through rate, the opening rate of your emails, and visits to your website, so you can increase your profits.